स्वागत है आप सभी का। घटना चक्र में हम फिजिक्स के क्वेश्चंस को हम देख रहे थे। तो आगे के क्वेश्चंस को हम देखते हैं। ऑप्टिक्स इस चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन अभी देखना है। तो क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। द विजिबल रेंज ऑफ सोलर रेडिएशन इज अबाउट 400 to 700 नैनोमीटर। नेक्स्ट, द वेवलेंथ एक्सटेंशन ऑफ विजिबल लाइट इज about between 390 to 780 nanometer. Next, the wavelength of visible spectrum is in the range of about 3900 angstrom to 7600 angstrom. Next, human eye is most sensitive to visible light of the wavelength of 5550 angstrom. If nanometer में 555 nanometer. Next, the eye is most sensitive to colors between yellow and green. Next, the nature of radiation of light is like both of wave and particles. Next, light appears to travel in a straight line because the wavelength of light is very small. Next, among the light, sound, celestial objects and a rocket, the light has a greater velocity. The speed of light in vacuum is nearly 3 into 10 की power 8 meter per second. Next, the speed of light in air depends on its optical density, temperature and pressure. Next, light travels at maximum speed in vacuum. Next, velocity of light is maximum in vacuum. It is the same question. Next, among the glass, vacuum, water and air, the speed of light will be minimum while passing through glass. Next, the time taken to reach the sunlight up the surface of Earth is approximately 8.3 minutes 499 seconds. Next, among the cosmic rays, light, electron and supersonic wave, this has the highest velocity. Light is the highest velocity. Next, among the velocity, wavelength, frequency and refractive index, it does not change when light travels from one medium to another medium. This is frequency. Next, when light waves pass air to glass, the variable affected are wavelength and velocity. Next, when a ray of light travels from a denser medium to a rarer medium, then it speeds up and bends away from the normal. Next, the formation of glittering colors in the form of soap is the result of total reflection and interference. Next, total internal reflection can take place when light travels from diamond to glass. Next, a cut diamond shines brilliantly due to total internal reflection. Next, the diamond appears lustrous because of total internal reflection. Next, the reason behind the extraordinary shining of the diamond cuts in a proper way because it has a higher refractive index. Next, assertion. A diamond sparkles more than a glass imitation cut to the same shape. Reason, the refractive index of a diamond is less than that of glass. The A is true but reason is false. Next, optical fiber works on the principle of total internal reflection. Next, the phenomenon used in optical fiber for transmission of light energy is total internal reflection. Next, in fiber optic communication, the signal travels in the form of light wave. Next, the following statements are correct. Fiber optics is based on the principle of total internal reflection. Yes. In an optical fiber communication system, power consumption is extremely low. Optical fiber communications are free from radio frequency interference. Next, endoscope used by the doctors for examine the inside of patient's stomach work on the principle of total internal reflection of light. Next, the reason of mirage, total internal reflection of light. Due to the following natural phenomenon, mirage is formed: terrestrial heating and refraction of light. Next, among the sand desert, paddy cropland, land covered with fresh snow and prairie land, this reflects back more sunlight as compared to other three. Light covered with fresh snow. Next, 1 minute. The technique to integrate and mark the image of a three-dimensional object is holography. Next, it is used to take three-dimensional pictures. It is the same holography. The generating image on a screen by focusing an electronic beam on phosphorus coated screen is called roster scan. It is used in CRT monitors. Next, Raman effect deals with the light rays passing through all transparent medium. Next, for reproducing sound, a CD audio player used a laser beam. Next, when a CD compact disc used in audio and video systems is seen in sunlight, rainbow like colors are seen. This can be explained on the basis of the phenomenon of reflection and diffraction. The following statements are correct, like as radio waves are produced by rapidly oscillating electrical currents. To detect the over-speeding vehicles, police are used for the Doppler effect of reflect short radio waves. Next, assertion and reason. Assertion. In a motion picture, usually 24 frames are projected every second over the whole length of the film. Reason. An image formed on the retina of eye persists for about zero point 0.1 second after the removal of the stimulus. A is true, but reason is false. Next, television signals cannot be received beyond a certain distance because the surface of Earth is curved. Next, the technique used to transmit audio signals in television broadcast is frequency modulation. Next, in human eye, light rays get transformed into neural impulses at retina. Next, the image formed on retina is smaller than object but inverted. Next, type of image of an object formed by eye lens of the retina. Next, the principal reason why it is better to have two eyes than one is that this is because it enhances distance and depth perception in us. Next, direct viewing of sun during total solar eclipse causes irreversible damage to eyes. The retinal burn is caused by this component of the sun rays because of ultraviolet light. Next, the color of the star is an indication of its temperature. Next, diffusion of light in the atmosphere takes place due to dust particles. Next, the color of light is determined by its wavelength. Next, the correct statement is wavelength of red light is more than violet light. Next, the color which has the longest wavelength is red. Next, in the visible spectrum, the color having the shortest wavelength is violet. Next, among the blue, green, red, and yellow lights, it has the highest energy, blue light. Next, this color of white light at least deviated by the glass prism, red color. Next, assertion. In the visible spectrum of light, red light is more energetic than green light. Reason: the wavelength of red light is more than that of green light. In that, reason is correct, but the assertion is false. Next, the sun is visible to us a few minutes before the actual sunrise because of refraction of light. Next, the sun and the moon appear elliptical near the horizon because of refraction. Next, red light is used in traffic signals because it has the longest wavelength. Next, assertion. The danger signal is made up of red color. Reason: red color is scattered the least. Both A and are true. Assertion is right and reason is also right. Next, red light signal is used as a danger signal because red light is scattered least. Next, the sky appears blue due to blue color is scattered most. Next, sky is blue because short waves are scattered more than long waves by in atmosphere. Next, blue color of the sky is due to scattering of light. Next, the following statements are correct. First, the sky appears blue because of scattering. Yes. At the time of sunrise, the sun appears red due to scattering of light. Next, the red light, the red color of the sun at sunset and sunrise is due to scattering of light. Next, an astronaut sees the color of the sky as black. Next, when we see the sky from a plane in high altitude, it seems black. Next, sea seems blue due to reflection of sky and scattering of light by the drops of water. Next, the green grass appears green to us because it reflects green color light to our eyes. Next, twinkling of stars in the sky during night time can be explained with refraction of light. Next, when a soft film on the water is seen in the daytime, it shows beautiful colors. This phenomena is due to interference of light. Next, the nature of image formed by a convex mirror when the position of object is between infinity and pole P of the mirror. It is virtual and erect. Next, the mirror which is used to see the traffic behind the car is convex mirror. Next, the mirror used as a rear view mirror in vehicles are convex mirror. Next, for shaping one uses concave mirror. Next, the mirror which is used in searchlights is concave mirror. Next, the mirror used by the dentist to see the image of teeth of a patient is concave mirror. Next, in order to avoid sunlight, the most appropriate color combination for an umbrella is top white and bottom is black. Next, the image formed by astronomical telescope is virtual and magnified. Next, the number of images of an object placed between two parallel mirrors is infinite. Next, the number of images formed if a point light source is placed between two parallel plane mirrors, ये भी infinite हो जाएगा. Next, when a mirror is rotated by an angle theta, the reflected ray will rotate by 20. Next, assertion. Small glass beads fixed on a traffic signals glow brightly when light falls upon them. Reason: light is totally reflected when the angle of incident exceeds a certain critical value and light traveling in a denser medium is reflected from a rarer medium. Then इसमें assertion is right and reason is also correct. Next, light is made of 7 colors. The method of separating the color is the color can be separated by a prism. Next, the correct order of colors in a rainbow is blue, green, yellow. Yeah, Vibgyor, the correct order. Next, rainbow is produced when sunlight falls on the drops of rain. The following physical phenomena are responsible for this: dispersion, refraction, and internal reflection. Next, dispersion of light is possible by prism. Next, the 7 colors of rainbow can be represented by Vibgyor. Next, this color is seen in the middle of a rainbow, green. Next, the terminal color bands of the rainbow are violet and red. Next, in which direction the rainbow is seen at 12 noon? It cannot be seen. Next देखते हैं. Assertion. A stick is dipped in a water in a slanting position. It observed sideways. The stick appears short and bent at the surface of the water. Reason: a light coming from the stick undergoes scattering from water molecules, giving the stick a short and bent appearance. A is true but R is false. Next, the following statements are correct. If a person looks at a coin which is in a bucket of water, the coin will appear to be closer than it really is. Next, if a person underwater looks at a coin above the water surface, the coin will appear to be at a higher level than it really is. Next, an air bubble in water will act like a concave lens. Next, an air bubble inside water behaves as a divergent lens. Next, two glass lenses of same focal length, one being convex and the other concave, are kept in contact. The combination will act as plain glass sheet. Next, the minimum light of a plane mirror to see the full size image of a person equal to half the light of the person. Next, the minimum height of a mirror required to see whole stand-up image of a man height 1.50 meter shall be 0.75 meter. Next, the radius of curvature of the plane mirror is infinity. Next, a person is standing in front of a mirror find his image larger than himself. This implies that the mirror is concave. Next, this type of lens is used in magnifying glass. This is the convex lens. Next, to remove the defect of long sightedness, one uses in this there is a convex lens uses. Next, the true statement for a person suffering from hypermetropia. A convex lens is used to correct this effect. Next, reading glasses are made from this type of lenses, convex. Next, the lens used to minimize myopia is concave lens. Next, a myopia eye can be corrected by using concave lens. Next, when a person enters into a dark room from the strong light area, he is not able to see clearly for some time. Later, he gradually begins to see things. This is because changes in the size of pupil and bleaching and reformation of rhodopsins eye become familiar with the darkness in course of time. Next, the focusing in the eye is done by change in the convexity of the lens. Next, the change of focal length of an eye lens is caused by action of the ciliary muscles. Next, the least distance of distinct vision in centimeter 25. Next, for normal eye, the minimum distance for clear vision is 25 centimeter. Next, the power of a lens is measured in diopter. Next, if the lens power of glass is plus 2 diopter, its focal length will be 50 centimeter. Next, power of a sunglass is 0 diopter. Next, retina of the eye is comparable to which part of a traditional camera film. Next, in human eye, image of object forms at retina. Next, in long-sightedness, image are formed at behind retina. Next, देखते हैं. The color of an opaque object is due to the color it reflects. Next, color in a color television is produced by combination of three basic colors. They are red, green, and blue. Next, the primary colors which produce different shades on a TV screen is red, green and blue. Next, when beams of red, blue and green lights falls on the same spot, the color on the light becomes white. Next, among the black, yellow, blue and red colors, which is not a primary color, is black. Next, three colors are the primary colors. These are blue, green and red. Next, the correct statements are: if magenta and yellow colored circles interest, intersect, the intersected area will have a red color. If cyan and magenta colors circles intersect, the intersected area will have a blue color. Next, the number of colors contained in the sunlight is 7. Next, among the green, brown, red and yellow colors, the odd color is brown. Next, the optical illusions are size of the sun at dusk, color of the sun at dawn and twinkle of the stars in the sky. ओके, आज के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू।